Welcome to Making Melodies exercise number 3, and this is a continuation on from the Dueling Banjos tune. Have a look at the notation on the screen and have a go at it yourself. Pause the video here right now, and when you're ready we'll have a play through it ourselves. So I'm going to set the metronome to 60 beats a minute, nice beginner friendly speed, and we'll play through this together. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 'Okay, that's the basic melody. And what we're going to do now, we're going to add some bum-ditty rhythm to that melody. So what we'll do, we'll change some of the notes that I've just highlighted now, and we're going to change those into bum-ditty basic freehling strums, which we've been practicing on the hobo module. So if you want to pause the video and have a quick go yourself, and then we'll work through it together. Right, let's have a go together. So back at 60 beats a minute, and follow me if you can. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 2. We're going to spice that up even more and do a little bit of what we did on exercise number 2, some of that pluck in followed by the 5th string, that double thumb action. So I'll put the final tab on the screen, and what I'll do, I'll just play through it at a moderate pace so you can hear how this would sound. So it should sound something like this. What we'll do, we'll set a metronome for 60 beats a minute, and we'll play through it nice and slowed together 4 times, and then we'll try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. One, 2 and 3, 4 and. Cool, alright, we'll speed that up a little bit. We'll go to 90 beats a minute. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. One, 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 2 and 3, 4 and. Hey, I was getting all my fingers tangled up in a knot then. So I hope you found that exercise challenging. But that's the way we practice. Repetition, it's what it's all about. Practice, repetition and rest.